Oh, yep. Well, okay, perimeter is secure. Chickens are alive. And there we go. Oh. So we had some wind. We've still got some wind mooching about. Fare thee well, hens. You have fared well. And need to leave that alone. Because that chicken has had enough of being mauled. It's sore. She won't leave it alone. So. Okay, I'm mucking about now. It's all gone blurred. I've done something to the camera and everything. So I'm going. Nope, there we go, we're back on it. So let's quickly, and this is a new supplier of feed. It's Layers pellets opposed to growers, and it's finer, and it seems a little bit more of moisture in it. So it's all good. And it's finer, it's smaller. So it can be used for the little birds. Birds don't want to break something up, they want to just gulp it down while they can. So, there we go. Pandora, we're out of here. Let's go. Pan is currently excelling at the instruction to come on. Yeah, man. It's all happening. Good day for washing today, but didn't do any. Oh yeah, things have been knocked over. We've had a high wind. There's Gloria now. So we have a little bit of a mission. Got to think with that. Same with that. Things have been blown everywhere. And there she is, Gloria. Hello, Gloria.
Mwah.
Fish fed. Ready to go. So, without further ado, I'll have a ditch.